So in this ChatGPT tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a pro athlete jersey swap without using Photoshop by using ChatGPT. So once you open up ChatGPT, I want you to go ahead and ask the prompt. So for this example, I'm going to use Aaron Judge. What would Aaron Judge look like in a Boston Red Sox jersey? As an example. It's then going to go ahead and say, please upload a clear image of Aaron Judge, etc. So I'm going to go ahead and do that quickly and then get right back to you guys. So I added an image right here of Aaron Judge. I'm then going to go ahead and press on the send button right here. Now what it's going to be doing is actually creating an image for you guys right here. So I'll check back with you guys once this is done. Okay, so now the image is being created. So it's going to take a little bit of time for it to do its thing. But as you can tell, there is the Boston Red Sox hat right there. So it's basically taking the exact same image and just showing you guys what it would look like, hypothetically speaking. If maybe this pro athlete were to play for another team. Obviously, it's AI, so it's not going to look 100% real, but this is just a cool way of kind of seeing how different players might look in different jerseys. So there you go. There's Aaron Judge in a Boston Red Sox jersey. And then up here, there's Aaron Judge in a New York Yankees jersey. So it looks actually pretty similar, but it's a pretty cool little thing I noticed. So if your favorite player maybe is getting traded or whatever the case may be, you can kind of see what they look like in the jersey by using this prompt right here on ChatGPT. So hope this video helps. Thanks again for watching.